Do you want to triple your sales without getting lost in a sea of AI tools or spending up to $200 in monthly subscriptions? I know it sounds crazy, but stay with me. What if I told you there was a way to do it all for free using one of the most advanced AI models available? And you probably already have an account you can link to in seconds. That'd be useful, right? Well, over the past 2 months, I've used Google's new free AI tool as a marketing analyst for 5 key areas of my business. Today, I'm going to show you the 5-step framework to turn it into a top-tier marketing consultant on your team 24/7, helping you to triple your sales. If you've read my new AI book, The Wolf is at the Door, or my AI marketing blog, which includes the free prompts I'm about to share with you, you know I deliver tactics that work. If you haven't got the free resources yet, rush to hit the link below before we take them down. You see, thankfully, it doesn't matter if you've been in business for 6 months or 10 years. These strategies apply. You're sitting on a gold mine and don't even know it. The AI tool we're talking about is Google AI Studio. It's not just for creating scripts or headlines, though it can do that. This is your free professional marketing coach if you use it right. It's not widely known because it's usually aimed at developers, but it's surprisingly easy to use. Here is the 5-step framework you need to triple your sales. Each step builds upon the next to achieve this goal, so listen closely. First, we need to kick off things by analyzing your email marketing campaigns to train the AI model. This is far easier than you think. Like most, you probably use AI to write emails, but are you using it to analyze your overall strategy to separate the winners from the losers? Here's what you're going to do instead. Go to your CRM and copy and paste all your emails from the past 6 months. Include subject lines, open rates, clicks, and sales data for each if available. Don't worry if it's messy, and don't worry about including the content of the emails just yet. Paste it all into Google AI Studio using the free Gemini experimental model 1206 and tell it to analyze your email marketing by asking it to find patterns only the top 1% of marketers would spot. Think of it like this. You give Google AI Studio a mountain of data and say, find the gold, and it will. You'll get insights you weren't expecting. What words in your subject lines get open, what offers get clicked, what calls to action and specific marketing angles drive sales. I've got example prompts on the screen, but hit the link for the full detailed ones in the free guide I've got to help guide you through this. Once you've run the prompts and analyzed the data, you'll want to copy and paste these insights into a Google Doc for reference later. Here, we're fine-tuning not just your email campaigns, but your overall business strategy. Step 2, dive into your top performers. Next, you want to zero in on your top 10 sales emails. Copy and paste the content of those winners into another Google Doc. This is key to use at a later date. Now, in the exact same chat window, have Google AI Studio dissect them, focusing on copy style and the sales angles that hit the mark. Once again, ask it to look for insights that only the top 1% of marketers in the world would uncover. It's going to reveal insights you never would have considered, including what gets your prospects to buy. You're going to use these insights to inform future email campaigns and even ask the AI to generate new subject lines and angles based on what it's learned so far, on top of refining your overall marketing strategy. Step 3, train your AI to write new emails based on this analysis. Most people just use AI to write what they think will work. This is different. It's about what actually works. Have it craft new campaigns on its findings. And after sending a new campaign, upload the new data and the results and analyze it again, including emails that fail to hit the mark. This refines your approach even further, leading to better results. Which brings us to step number 4, optimize your landing page. Don't skip this step because it can double your conversions. In the same chat window that you've been working in, paste your landing page copy. Ask the AI if there's any disconnect between the winning email copy and the landing page. Prompt it for suggestions, especially around headlines and the overall angle your email list responds to. This ensures your message is cohesive for a seamless sale experience. Adjust your page copy, resend top emails, and watch your conversions. Keep feeding this specific chat window your results. This is critical. Most switch between AI chat windows. We're training this specific window for one job only, to boost your sales. But to do that, it needs all of the data you can give it, which leads us to the last but most important step. Fine-tune your order or contact form. The great thing with Google AI Studio is that you can upload images and screenshots. Take a screenshot of your order form and ask Google AI Studio to analyze it in the same chat window. Prompt it to check for the messaging flows and compare it to offers in your top emails. Tweaking the wording on your order form or contact page can double your conversions, which can immediately boost your profits. But you can only do this step once the AI knows what your list does and does not respond to. Here, you've taken the guesswork out of the equation. The best part of implementing the 5-step framework, you can keep doing this. The more data you feed it, the smarter it gets. This ongoing optimization will become a key part of your weekly routine, helping you to adapt and succeed. You're going to be amazed at how much easier this makes your marketing and how much faster your sales grow. So don't wait, get all of the resources from the link below and put this into action ASAP. This is a stunningly easy way to grow your business and guide you on exactly what you've got to do for the biggest impact.